Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A12s, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. To get started, turn off your device. Once it's off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both the keys at the same time. And once you see the Galaxy edition on the logo, let go of the power key, but keep holding volume up. This will boot us into the recovery mode. So in here you can use volume keys to navigate through the menu, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And going quickly over the options that are accessible here, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. A reboot to bootloader does nothing. Apply updates from ADB SD card, wipe data, wipe cache partition, mount system, review logs, run tests, power off the device, and also repair apps. So like I mentioned before, whatever you select, confirm with power key, and because I wanted to leave this mode, I selected reboot system now. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.